Doctors are also shocked. This drink can cure diabetes in just 5 days. We give you the story of a man who was dealing with hypertension and diabetes for 4 years. His health condition required that he lives on medication. But he managed to improve his health condition with a simple drink. The doctors could not believe his results. Natural healing and raw diet regimen helped this man the most. You see, it is quite possible that you restore your health completely. The man found out about his bad health condition after he was dealing with constant thirst. When the doctor did the regular checkup, he was in shock. The man's blood sugar was 29, and the doctor said that his pancreas was not performing its function at all. This usually requires that patients take insulin regularly in order to live longer. The prescribed therapy was quite complex. The man took his insulin regularly and did sports. But that did not help. His condition got worse, and he developed other health problems too. The medications he took raised his triglyceride levels to 16, and his blood pressure was somewhere between 150-100s. The New Year's Eve made him turn another page in his life. His decision shocked the doctors. Dr. John Certain was guest of the Edge of Science show on TV. The doctor was on raw food diet for 12 years. This show actually helped the young man change his dietary habits. He got himself a blender and prepared the drink that shocked his doctors. The first week was full of temptations, but the man handled him. He soon noticed some positive changes, and his blood sugar dropped to 5. No medication helped him get results like these. He stopped administering insulin because the foods he ate did not change his sugar levels. He would go back to his insulin treatment if the sugar got up, but this never happened, and he even lost weight. He managed to lose 5 pounds in 25 days, and the man kept losing weight. After 4 months of going raw, he lost 10 pounds, took no insulin. His blood pressure was 120/70ths, and his triglycerides dropped to 14. The man did not take any pills and was healthier and happier than ever. Here are the ingredients he used for the recipe: 5 bananas, 2 apples, 2 kiwis, a handful of kale. Preparation: transfer the ingredients in a large bowl and pour in half a liter of water. Drink half of the juice in the morning and finish it throughout the day. Extra tips: eat more fresh fruits, fruit salads, and tuna. It is packed with vitamin B12, and the body needs lots of it. You will never feel hungry because your brain will be sure that you have filled your stomach. Try this juice, and remember, it shocked health specialists. You will soon notice major improvement